Here I am. Let's have a tour of my grandpa's birthday party. Right this way, come on. This is my church in Rockingham. There's my grandpa. There's all the uncles. That's my dad down right there I'm pointing at. That's my Uncle Rick, whatever his name is. The Stanley and Jerry. Come on. There's little Jacoby and my grandpa. Yeah. As usual. There's my grandpa laughing his head off. Hold on, I don't want me. There's my grandpa and my great grandma. His mama. Next we have Pa and Granny, and they're both married. Come on, one more. We got two more tables, just two more to go. Come on. There's my grandpa when he's young. One more table. Come on, follow me. That's all my family. Thank you for being here. Bye-bye.